I thought creating premium product photos would be simple. I was wrong. I spent 4 weeks booking photography studios, hiring models, and coordinating lighting setups, only to end up with inconsistent shots that cost me $3,500 and still didn't capture my brand's aesthetic perfectly. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make product photography easier, here are 4 steps I learned that will help you go from basic product image to professional photo collection ready for marketing in under 30 minutes. The traditional way, hiring a professional photographer and studio costs $2,000 to $8,000 per product shoot, or spending months learning complex lighting techniques and expensive equipment setups. But Kittl literally takes you from a simple product image to a premium photo collection with multiple angles, backgrounds, and lighting styles in one seamless AI workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to choose the perfect template mood for your brand, replace products while maintaining professional quality, generate your first studio quality image, and expand into multiple variations for complete marketing campaigns. Plus, I'll share the link to try Kittl in the description below. Step 1. Choosing your template mood and brand aesthetic. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Watching Kittl understand your brand vibe better than most photographers ever could. When I tried to use any templates for my business brand, Kittl literally analyzed how natural lighting would complement in marketing and suggested complementary elements like soft shadows and organic textures. I literally realized that the AI was thinking like a creative director. First, we start by going to the Kittl dashboard and browsing the template gallery. Then let's continue searching your ideal templates. Here you can go to filters and choose different themes and styles for your options. But for me, I'll go directly in the search bar and type something like beauty and fragrance since I'm working with a perfume bottle. Then you'll see here a different styles of perfume product templates. For example, I'm choosing this Kit perfume template. Here's what most people don't know. The template mood you choose affects not just the background, but also the lighting direction, shadow intensity, and even the color grading of your final images. My secret tip, choose templates that match your target customer's lifestyle rather than just your product category. A luxury perfume might work better with urban modern if you're targeting city professionals, but wait until you see how easy the product replacement process actually is. Step 2. Replacing products and smartboard setup. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery, watching Kittl seamlessly replace the template product while maintaining all the professional lighting and composition. Once you've done selecting the template, then let's start by clicking Upload product image and selecting your high quality product photo. Then we continue by positioning your product to replace the template's original item. And here you can adjust and scale the product image based on your preferred style. Here's the super cute part. Kittl's Smart Boards feature automatically adjusts all the lighting, shadows, and reflections to match your new product's shape and material. Glass perfume bottles get different light treatment than metal watches, and the AI handles this automatically. Let's have a prompt and type or paste it in the prompt box. For example, ultra high-end studio product photography of a luxury perfume bottle placed on a glossy marble surface with soft cinematic lighting. Subtle mist in the background, warm highlights reflecting off the glass. Shallow depth of field, sharp focus on branding and bottle texture, editorial style, premium beauty campaign aesthetic, 8K resolution, photorealistic, clean composition, soft shadows, luxury mood. You can preview how your product looks in each board setup before generating. Now, here's what most people don't know. You can make micro adjustments to product size, rotation, and positioning using the smart controls without affecting the overall lighting setup. My pro tip, upload your product image with a transparent background for the cleanest integration. But Kittl can remove backgrounds automatically if needed. But the real magic happens when you generate your first professional image. Step 3. Generating your first studio quality image. Now here comes my most obsessed with moment, watching Kittl transform my simple product photo into a studio quality masterpiece. When I clicked generate for my first board, Kittl literally created an image that looked like I hired a $5,000 photography team with perfect lighting, professional composition, and premium brand aesthetic. I literally sat there thinking, this looks better than photos I've seen from actual perfume campaigns. To start, let's continue by clicking Generate Image and watching the AI works like magic. The generation process takes about 30 to 60 seconds, and you'll see a progress indicator showing the AI analyzing lighting, composition, and brand consistency. When your first image appears, you'll notice several incredible details. The lighting looks completely natural and professional, shadows fall realistically based on your product's shape, the background integrates seamlessly with your product, and the overall quality rivals expensive studio photography. Here's the super cute part. You can immediately see how this image would work across different marketing channels. It's perfect for Instagram posts, website hero images, or even print advertising. Here's what most people don't know. Kittl automatically optimizes image resolution and quality for both web use and print marketing, so you get versatile files ready for any purpose. My secret weapon? I always generate the hero shot first, then use its lighting and mood as reference for creating the additional variations. But wait until you see how to expand this into a complete photo collection. Step 4. Expanding into multiple product variations and marketing assets. Now here comes my most exciting discovery, using your first perfect image as the foundation for an entire professional photo campaign. To continue, we start by adding more smartboard, different prompts, and generate it until you can have multiple products. After we generate each board, you'll see your product in multiple contexts, standing elegantly against a realistic background, positioned at dynamic angles for social media, integrated into lifestyle settings, and even arranged with complementary products. Here's the super cute part. You can customize product colors directly in the generation process. Change white bottle to black bottle or amber bottle in the prompt, and Kittl creates the same professional setup with your color variation. For brands with multiple product variants, this feature is literally a game changer. You can create entire product line photography without additional shoots. Here's what most people don't know. You can enhance prompt to make your prompt smooth and more connected to your reference image. Then you can also save these board configurations as templates for future products, creating consistent brand photography across your entire product line. My pro tip, generate extra variations during your first session since you have access to all the smartboards. It's more efficient than coming back later for additional shots. This gives you a complete professional photo collection, ready for marketing campaigns, social media, and sales materials. I am literally so excited about how Kittl has revolutionized product photography. I've been totally obsessed with this platform because it literally takes you from basic product image to professional marketing campaign in one seamless workflow. The smartboard system alone saves weeks of planning and thousands in photography costs. You can try Kittl yourself using the link I have included in the description below. The platform works directly in your browser and gives you commercial rights to use all generated images for your business. What I love most is how Kittl understands the complete marketing photography process, from brand aesthetic to lighting consistency to campaign variations. It's like having an entire creative studio that works at AI speed. Let's talk about real numbers here. If you hired a professional product photographer, $2,000 to $8,000 per product for a complete photo collection. If you learned studio photography yourself, 6+ months of equipment investment, lighting education, and practice shoots. The benefits are literally incredible. You'll have studio quality photos without expensive equipment or location costs. Your brand will look consistent and professional across all marketing materials. You'll save thousands compared to hiring photography teams. Plus, you'll have complete creative control and can generate new variations instantly. Ready to transform your product photography? Click the link in my description to try Kittl and start creating professional images today using the exact 4-step process I just showed you. Join our community in the comments and tell me what type of products you're planning to photograph. Smash that subscribe button for more AI business tutorials, and I'll see you next week, where I'm showing you how to turn these product photos into high-converting social media ads. Your products deserve to look premium. Let's make it happen.